Yeah, I just wanted to do a real brief video, and this message will be attached to the video footage that I will do the next day, which will be tomorrow. And excuse our little fur baby Yaya. He wanting to go out because Gimli, his adopted daddy, his papa, has gone out to do his business. Braveheart has took him out. So he is all excited because Gimli is out, so he thinks he's got to go. And she just brought in Gims, and Yaya thinks that every time that his Poppy has to go, that he got to go. And so, like, you're really interested in that, right? You know. So anyway, what I'm gonna do tomorrow, it's a real simple thing that I wanted to share with you. It's a recipe, sorta, kinda, somewhere in between. Okay, that you can try at home. And I will show you the marinade that I'm using. And it's in the fridge, marinating right now. It's be marinating overnight. And it's what is it? A chicken, or a broiler chicken. So I wanted to show you a little something, make your special meal. Mwah! Okay, and also here's a little something to think about. Some of you know how to, well, maybe some, and a lot of you know how to make meatloaf. So basically, here's the thing: when you're gonna go make meatloaf, do you want it super special? Do you like Mexican dishes? Well, okay, here's this. I call it the Mexican meatloaf. It's just a name off the top of my head. Okay, there's no copyright on it. Okay. So anyway, it's simple. All right, you just take some taco seasoning, mix it in with the meat. You put some. You can take the Tostitos thin chips, or any corn chips or whatever. You can mix it in with the meat, crush it up, however you want to do it, like you would with crackers or whatever. Excuse me, I've been drinking that, and it's really backing up. Okay, so anyway, what you do is you take that and some bell peppers, mix it in, and some shredded cheese, any cheese that you like, really, and then you top it off with salsa or picante sauce, however you want to do that. But and then you just put it in the oven, just like you do with any of your meatloaf, and ooh, it's good. And just in case you might think you might get a lot of heartburn, just take you some seltzer or Tums, or Tic Tac. No, Tic Tacs for the breath thing. Okay, so never mind about that. Scratch, reverse. Okay, so I thought I would just share that little brief message with you. And by the time you get this, I will have the other footage added to this footage, and it'll be one footage. And it sounds like who's on first. Okay, so every now and then I might share a little recipes and things with you, because we got a little bit of everything on here. Okay, so alright, well, I'll let you go and be blessed. Please subscribe, okay, and just wear the crap out of that like button and subscribe button and the notification buttons, please, so that way. And please, please, please hit the like buttons. And please, I am begging you, share them. Share the videos. Pick out on my channel, our channel, mine and Braveheart's channel. Oh, she's worried that you caught her with a cigarette. Oh, the shame of it. Oh my! Oh my goodness gracious! Oh man!
You got me off guard.
Oh, the tabloids is gonna have a field day out of this one, aren't they? Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, and please pick out on the channel any videos that you like, that you would like to share, and please share it and encourage others to subscribe. Let's get this channel growing. Grow. We got native peoples on the res in South Dakota, Pine Ridge, to help. And by making this channel grow, we can help them and even help others. And so, come on, do it. Make it so. And I'm not even Captain Picard. Okay, so catch you later, alligators. Please. Okay, I'm on my way to pull the broiler out of the oven. I am sorry I forgot to show the footage of me putting it in the oven, but then, you know, hey, you know what a broiler looks like, you know, before it's even cooked and all that kind of good stuff, you know. But I will show you the marinade that I marinated it in overnight. And hold on just a minute, and I will show it to you just a second here. I gotta get it out of, and it is the Tony's cat cheers. I can't pronounce it. Anyway, a blend of honey, bacon, barbecue. A blend of honey, bacon, barbecue, smoke, and Creole seasoning. It's Creole style burger. So if you see the Tony's brand at your store, you can marinate your chicken in that, and we'll set it at 350 for an hour and 40 minutes. It's an electric oven. Let me turn the light on here, and just bear with me, and I will pull it out. Okay, I got it out of the oven, and I had let it sit for about, I think it was 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that, before pulling it out. And there we go. Yeah. And all the thing is required is taking it out, setting it on a rack, and setting a rack inside of a drip pan, you know, a baking sheet, you know. But anyway, to let it drain, and then carve it up, serve it, and you're in business. Whoops. Anyway, so basically that's it. All right. I mean, it's not like this big old process. Just set your oven at 350 for a broiler. You know, it's up to you how you got to just use your better judgment on how long, a little bit of experience on doing it. But there ain't much to it. But I just wanted to share that little tidbit, okay, just a little bit there, and just add your mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, or whatever else you got, gravy, vegetables, you know, whatever you wanted to add with it. But I just thought I would share that with you, okay? So I got to take the thing out, put it in a pan, you know, on a rack there to let it drain off and everything, and ready to serve it up and what have you. So I will catch you later. God bless. And remember, live, laugh, love, and respect. Please smash that like button and subscribe. Share this with anybody, you know, and try any recipes and things that I'll put on. It's always something simple. So just little ideas throw your way. And hey, please share, okay? And hit the like button, please. Subscribe. Later, y'all. Love you. And be good. Be blessed. And wado.